guys, I'm back in my video and today I'm going to open a Hatchimal Collectibles again. This is so small. So let's get started. I'll just open it from here. Ooh, we got a good, wow, look at that. I like hard taking out these. Well, let's see what's in here until we open our egg. Ooh, look at what we have here. There's so much. Let me see what I really want. I really want this cute one over here. Well, let's open the egg up. It looks hard opening this egg. I feel something that's good. Well, let's rub this heart. See, it's turning into a different color, which is pink. See that? And now we're gonna crack it. No! Is this the same one? Is this the same one? Please don't tell me. I don't want the same one. Ooh, look at this one. It sounds cute. I actually like this one. Okay, so we opened it and now look at this. It's so cute. I actually like it than the other one I liked. And there's some cracks here. I don't know why. Well, guys, this was a short video. I hope you like and subscribe our video. Bye.